Hello guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's learn and dive with practical in these tutorials. How do you wipe out or terminate permanently iCloud activation lock links without doing a jailbreak on any Apple device? Right now, especially this is a old iPhones that has been locked to owner, and it's saying that it has been linked to an Apple ID. Into the Apple ID and password that were used to set up this device. So what's the easy way, more reliable, effectively strategy that will works? And of course, without any hassle, without doing a jailbreaks at your home, you can do it. But of course, this is a manual console method. By clearing all the old data, we will terminate this iCloud activation lock links, and of course, also we will try to generate new Apple ID and password on it, guys. So how that? As we see, if I back and if I see that it has been linked to an Apple ID, if I go for disconnect and if I connect this data cable, after accessing a data, see here, what's the messages are coming on iTunes. See guys, 3U tool automatically connected, so 3U tool is working fantastically here. So just we will go in the smart flash and we will try to click on a refresh option. Last one, the recommendation that we will go with the especially, either you have to go with the especially RC, the 17.6 RC or 18.0 beta 8, just we will have to download. So this one beta I have already downloaded, guys. This one you have to download, and after that you will have to come in a, as we see, total capacity or the size of this beta is a 8 GB. So try to have the sufficient data in your internet connections, and the whole procedure you will have to connect good internet speed and data should be sufficient, guys. Here now we will come in especially, once again we will go for here back and we will check it out. We will come the crash analysis, guys. Let it fetch. It's saying that clearly the device has no the crash record, but of course it has a crash record. We have to go in the inside, and of course we will delete from here. 7 files have been deleted from here successfully now. Now if I go in the inside, there is nothing else. So it means of course now we have deleted clearly. We will back once again. Don't worry, either your device is blacklisted, stolen mode, lost mode, screen passcode, time screen passcode, or Touch ID, Face ID, any kind of the security issues on Apple device that can be eliminated by virtue of similar strategy, guys. This one we have deleted. So now next we will have to open this imaging PC. This is a iDevice management tools, and here is one feature to clear all the consoles. So just we will come in a, let's cut from here in device here we will come in a whatever device. If you have experimented or unlocking multiple devices, it will show here. So just we will come this 12, and here it will show the device, the console, guys. Now we will have to clear. So just we will clear. Now see, it's a fetching, and of course we will clear. We will have it here, and we will cancel this. It will notify again and again the clearing that why you're trying to clear. Yes, now I'm clearing. Now see here, once again we will clear. So right now as we see here, it's accumulating data from here, and of course we are clearing. This is very essential to clear all the data from here. Why so? Because whatever old data is inside or redundant or residuals, the file, application, apps, and due to that, this device is going to link an Apple ID with Apple database server. So you have to clear all the data so that Apple database server will not track that this device has been linked to an Apple ID. So till of the date today, you will have to declare. Now, see here, this one we have cleared. Yes. Now, just immediately we will have to come here, and thereupon we will put this REC mode and we will cancel it, and of course once again, so see, almost it has been declared. Now the white screen is coming on, especially this iTunes console, especially sorry, iPhone's console. So just we will cut it from here, we will cut it from here because it has notified. Now on, especially we will cut it from here, we will close this. Yeah, only when the iTunes here is. Now here what we will do guys, here we have to go with the especially hold the especially window button, or leave it the window button guys, just we will have to hold the shift key. So here it is, shift key, SHIFT, this button you will have to hold, and we will click on a restore option. We have the manual that has been especially created, just we will come in the download. There I have downloaded this IPSW, just we will go for here, let's see. Now just we will go for done it. See, it's not taken, so once again we will come here. Maybe due to some reason this iTunes is a especially old one, that's why it's not taking. So if it is taking, that would be fine. If not, however, that would be fine. We have a remedy for all, so don't worry. Just we will open once again iTunes, and oh sorry, 3U tool. We will come in a flash option, we will go for here imports in this IPSW. Let's see, it has been imported here quickly. As we see, this one is a 16 point something, so this IPSW here, let me once again, this is a 17 point something IPSW, that I think this is a 18 point something guys, this one. So I think just we will have this IPSW. Let's see, now it's very fine. This IPSW, it's 18.8, yeah, or 17.6 RC that we had to. It has been the rejected, maybe especially this IPSW has been imported in there, that's why. So but it has taken a successfully, so let's do by a 3U tool, not by iTunes. iTunes by virtue of more reliable, but of course it will take a much more time. But by using this, of course, we can have a quick also functions. Quick flash mode we will select here. The way it is shown, because we don't go with the retain user data. Why? Retain user data means whatever the data would be retained in that condition occurs, whatever we have the cleared or terminated or wiped out or erased all the data inside from this device by virtue of the console clearing or of course the crash analysis, so that data would be retained. So that's why we will go with the quick flash. If you have the much more time, more than half an hour, then go with the anti-recovery flash mode, means it will more effectively work. So right now just we will go with the quick flash, because mostly multiple devices have the terminating by this method. If that is not going to be successful in a case any device, then we will go with the especially yes anti-recovery. If in case by this it is not going, then we will come the once again with the iTunes guys. So right now let's see with this one, don't go with there's fix a flash, because fix a flash means we are going to heal or repair the data. So just we will go with this one. It is asking the setting the special back to battery health, not necessary. So now it has been raised on a 9%. Now as we see, we can, if it is possible, then we can close this item, not required. Now it has been raised on the 16%. We will see furthermore what kind of the error is coming. So we will address it together, and let's see. Now see, it has been raised on 18%. We will see. See, now it has been jumped on the 34%. Don't worry. once again it will come as per multiple times it will start to 1 to 100 percentage, or maybe directly it will jump to absolute 100 percentage. We will have to wait till the it's not notifying that this device has been especially, or congratulations, that has been clearly clean flash. Just we will wait. So any Apple device in this any comes with the security issues that can be really addressed by using this method. But I'm doing this method. Of course, we need much more time here. With the help of jailbreaks method with FAT software. Yes, we can do it within especially 5 to 10 minutes, but of course after rebooting, the once again it's going to trap in a iCloud activation logs. So that's why especially here we plan actually we clear inside whatever the old data is there, and thereupon of course we are terminating, and we will 2 3 steps that we need to execute, that is very crucial. But at the end of this, so be on these videos till the end of this tutorial, guys, that 2 3 tricks here at the end of course sometimes we will have to change the internet connection also, or if it is not working, then of course we will have to go for good clearance Apple database server. We will take it the sales area of this device by creating similar database server, that is yes, by execution of virtual private networks, guys. So how do you execute of those things also I will show you. And of course if we are unable to execute a virtual private, then of course on the side we will go for restore the genuine location of this device sales area. That will reflect, and therefore of course we will go for termination of this iCloud activation lock length from this device. So almost we have done the speed slam 70%. We will wait furthermore, and therefore of course we will see. One thing more, data cable should be especially connected. Don't disconnect of it, because during the flashing, should the process the device, of course, may restart multiple times. Just don't, especially on a plug in the device. Don't disconnect iDevice from the PC, guys. In the midst of that, otherwise, if error will come, then of course you will have to put this device manually from normal mode to recovery or DFU mode. So that's why I'm just saying. So that will be a tough challenge to once again go for it. And internet connections would be always connected. Otherwise, this 3U tool, if not getting a good database server or not giving a good server clearance, then it will give you in the midst of error. That's why I'm saying. Now it's requesting EAN data, so we will have to wait and watch here. Now it's on a 57%. Let's see what's going to happen. In the midst of that, if any error will come, then of course we will fix it. Only 2 3 crucial steps that we need to execute at the end of these tutorials. Now almost actually the 40 minutes we spent on this tutorial, and further we will see. Let's see what's going to happen. Now it's creating the protected and the firmware updated data. So almost it's going to be done now. All the tools that I am using, yes, it's totally free. Of course, I will give you below the description box if you're into slides or into tutorial too. Do by a similar method by free, of course, without reaching at any mobile shops. And then, of course, you're gonna have it in one click from the description box, guys. You must go fast, but when you have a time approximately, yes, half an hour, because total now still I spent time in 15 minutes. So furthermore, I can this specs especially I'm the 10-minute or 15 minutes more. So approximately it will take more than 20 minutes, guys. Anyhow, almost we have done, guys. 68% is here the things, but on this device she actually almost we have the completed. So directly it will jumps to other fronts there. I'm the 68 to the absolute 100%. Let's see. I hope it should be. And multiple apps in there should be disconnected or close it or turn off or especially off from run other administration or running. So because of that, PC will works fastly, guys. That's what I'm saying. Almost we have the rest on a 79, so 20% is more the from here. Let's see. Almost 79%. So more 21% or 20% is we need. Directly it will jump. So I hope that in the quickly it will give a result. This is a console method and the manual method, guys. You have the raising the comments that can you help me. Similar, just you will have to watch the 2-3 times and of course now see here directly it has been the jump from the congratulations, the clean flash has been the completed. So we have done from my works. Now 2-3 crucial steps that we need to execute here. What are the steps now? Please get up on it. Now the congratulations, this one, just we will click on OK. We will come the toolbox and toolbox here. Just we will wait for highlighted this batch activation, guys. Yes, right now it's not highlighted, but it has started here, and here batch activation has been highlighted. So here, let's see if I click here batch activation. Just we will go for here and upon hit this one, so it has started initiated to a start to reboot or reload of all the new software on it and the reboot or here activation and skipping all the set of that. So directly we will restore especially generate or create a new ID and password on it especially. So almost let's wait and we will see here what's coming here. See, you will have to maintain the consistency. Don't do anything. Just by step you will have to execute. Now still no any error is coming. Sure. I hope that furthermore it will not come any error. Now see, it has notify here autoplay, Apple's phones, etc. And there is a skipping and still there is no error. So means on Apple database server it's working, guys. When a little bit disturbance and the clearance of Apple database servers, quickly it will give results. Now see here, green sign has been given. So it means, of course, the mission will be successfully. Now we will go for here, catch the true location. So before going the true location, guys, we need to if it is not doing successfully, then you will have to go for give it on the true location so that it will work fantastically. Now here we will have to go for firstly deactivate, let it conform by this one, hitting the selection, and we will go for it. We will have to wait 10 seconds here. This is the second step that we need anyhow. Now almost we have done. Just hit this one. Now the activation step that is also cleared. Finds 2 step means almost 95% we have done. Now we will come the true location. We will go for in activate. This activation is just saying show. Once again we will go for us. Let's see, and let's see, it's done. Now we will go for it. So once again go for genuine location. We will restore all the things. So now new location will come. So what's the sales area of this device? That will comes. So this one also we have done. Now see, all the has been especially in the hidden. It's not connected right now. So quickly, why don't you guys open a iTunes and we will try to generate now new ID and password on it. How it is possible? Let us connect. So firstly iTunes. What's the messages are coming especially? Now let's close this 3U tool, not required. Only one that I will work with especially iTunes. Now especially we will come to here and upon we will selection this one, let it access the data and upon here see Still it is on a black screen. Just we'll go for select the language. Now welcome to the new device means there is no locked links guys here. So don't go for continue, just we will come here. Sign in we will come here, because you have to generate a new and password by virtue of a special item guys, not by using this device. Here is the option erase and starting. Continue with the partial setup. Of course we will come with this one, last one. Now see, everything has been clean and directly there is no any yes starting stage step are the coming here to you will have to execute. So can I head to a specially generated new id? They see there is no any id. Yes, SIM card will work also. If it is not working, then you will have to reboot once again by using a 3U tool. Here SIM card we will insert, then it will take a much more time. So here is the options. This one feature you will have to go for. Once again, if you do, then SIM card will start to work. Here create new Apple ID and password. So after assessing what's the message is coming, we will see. Now we will go for continue, and of course here we will come the account to assign in once again. We will, yeah, here it has been generated. You will have to enter the any Apple ID, any password that is confirmed, and of course it is in the any country that your choice, and go for continue. Your Apple ID new would be generated while the purchasing on any new Apple device, and we are trying to generate or the create a new Apple ID and password. Similar step we will have to on it. This is by directly these phones we are unable to execute. We need to especially enter the password of Wi-Fi, and thereupon of course we can create here Apple ID on it also. So it's a more safely if your device were in a stolen mode, lost mode, blacklisted, or any other. So you have to go to anywhere, then safely you can unlock it. Now you can connect with the Wi-Fi and you can generate new Apple ID and password it. How easily you can do it. So guys, I would like this tutorial. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Further any inquiry, of course, they have the query below the comment box. So pleasure would be mine to the reply to the query, guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.